What is up, Pokemon fans? Welcome back to another Pokemon opening. And for today, we have got a Mewtwo EX Tin. Yes, we have a Mewtwo EX Tin. So far, I've opened up the Gyarados EX, the shiny Gyarados EX, and now the Mewtwo EX Tin now. So all I have to open up now is just the Machamp one. Then I have completed this trio of tins that came out last year. So yeah. Alright, so out of 4 packs, we are hoping to pull something good like an EX or better. We are hoping. So here we go, guys. Alright. Oops. So there's a little plastic. I might time lapse this, I might not. Alright, there it is, out of the plastic wrap. There's that Mewtwo EX promo. And then we got the packs. Okay. Mewtwo, you're gonna stay there for now. Right by the Master Ball, because I am your master. Alright, so we got 2 evolutions, Phase Collide and Breakpoint. So let's do that. Let's open Breakpoint first. Alright, here we go, guys. Breakpoint. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what Breakpoint has for us today. So 3 cards in the front, and we have got a Stantler, a Reindeer, All Night Party. Wow, look at that card. Oops. Tierno, Phantom, Glameow, Gible, Chikorita, Tempo, a Reverse Blitzo. And the rare card is a Trevenant non-holo rare. Alright, nothing good for the first pack. We are on to evolutions. One of my favorites right now. Come on, can I get you open? Alright. Three cards in the front, and we start off with a Nidorino, Switch, Blastoise Spirit Link, an energy card, Staryu, Tangela, Rattata, a Weedle, ooh, that's nice, a Reverse Holo Fairy energy card, and the rare is, ooh, nice. We got 2 hits there, 2 hits right there, guys. A Slowbro EX for the win. How good is this card? It's alright, I guess. Awesome. Alright. Let's go. Alright, on to Fates Collide. What does Fates Collide have in store for us right now? Okay, 3 in the front. And we have got a energy reset. Pupitar, Wormadam, Fennekin, Snowball, Seal, a Bronzor, a Cottony, a reverse Meowth, and the rare is a Marowak, non-holo rare. So nothing in Breakpoint or Fates Collide. We are hoping that we can finish things off good with the last pack of evolutions. Come on, Charizard, don't fail me now. Alright, here we go, guys. Okay, package is off. Code card is down because I don't want to see the code card. And here it is, guys. The final pack of this Mewtwo EX Tin. We have a full heal, Porygon, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Onix, Magikarp. Magikarp is going to get caught by that hook. A energy card, a Staryu, Tangela, and we have a reverse Kakuna, and the final card is a Beedrill. Hey, look at that. What do you know? It evolved. Well, we got this for our hits. A Fairy Energy Reverse and a Slowbro EX. Not too bad out of 4 packs. I mean, there could be better. I've seen better ones, so. Alright, man. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have, please click that smash button. If you did not, I'm totally sorry. Maybe it'll be better next time. Yeah, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel for more openings. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.